Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 7. So you have this diagram, which is the illustration of a longitudinal section of a plant organ, which is an onion bulb. So we are asked the plant is A. Stem tuber, B. bulb, C. stolon, D. runner. So let's define each of these plant types given to us in the options and see the one that best suits the description. Now, a stem tuber, which is option A, refers to enlarged structures in some plant species used as storage for nutrients. And examples is yam. Now option B, which is bulb, is a short stem, a plant with short stem with fleshy leaves or leaf bases that function as food storage organs. Now option C, which is the stolon, is a creeping horizontal plant stem that takes roots at points along its length to form new plants. And option D, which is runner, is a stem-like growth extending from a mother plant's growing point. So from this description we have given, option B, which is bulb, a short stem with fleshy leaves or leaf bases that function as food storage organ, is what can be best used to describe the onion, as you have even onion bulb amongst its name. Now the onion bulb consists of fleshy leaf bases or fleshy leaves, which you can see labeled here as option 2. So these structures here are the leaf bases or the fleshy leaves, and their function is to serve as food storage organs. So as we have established here, this plant, which is the onion, is a bulb. The bulb is option B. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.